one of the US member wey Simon Ekpa come talk say he say the Austria police don finally carry the guy go back to him country. No be small thing o. They say the guy don come outside. Him name wey be Methuselah, una go know am. He don come outside o, come talk say na lie, say nobody deport am o, say him just so travel make him go see him people and also look around. No be small thing o, that one dey happen. Now he come still come talk say as he dey for house, him go march, he go make sure say he show pepper to the Biafra Liberation Army and other force wey dey under Simon Ekpa. This one e shock me o. But however, let's watch the video wey him talk this thing before we go come back. Welcome back to Balaba Gist, my people. If na today na the first time wey you dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see the here dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. My wonderful people, share this video and also make sure say you dey follow this page for more updates as e dey hot. Let's quickly jump into the matter we will get for our hand today. They say that one of a US member, they say the guy don from Austria go Nigeria. He say they go march hand to hand so that they go fit get some more shaking with Biafra Liberation Army. Now I can say here, this one go red though, and this thing it go soon happen as he take talk am for this video, because few days ago Simon Ekpa tweeted that they don't deport am. He come outside say no, nobody deport am. He can't talk so many things put for this video why I go play you now. Watch the video and we'll come back, continue.
Mark Bokola on the other side. Pick you call over now. Work any day. Yeah, hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
They say I've been deported.
Hello?
Yeah, they say I've been deported.
Really?
Yes, it's what is raining. It's what is raining this side. So does it mean that immediately I left, you go and connive with Austrian police that they should deport me? Huh?
No.
It's everywhere now. They say Methuselah have been deported. Some Akromanyas. You got deport him to your country. Say me they deport me.
Yeah.
I have the problem we're having.
No, it's not true.
It's propaganda. It's propaganda. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay. I will get back to you later. Yes, thank you very much. I'm online program. I just want to confirm. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, bye. This is an example of what we are fighting for. Fake news, propaganda, and character assassination. I want him come now. And to tell you how gullible some of you are, you almost 1,000. By now, we carry on 2,000. About 1,007, about 2,000. You got to say, on your deporter now, you're going to court process. A lot of shit, man. Oh, a deporter saw the leader, our coordinator, the IPOB. Call out the national coordinator, call a member of US. Get him a deporter, call or one hand or asylum, let me freedom. But I've not been in America before. Only one I want to travel. But I hope I have no long gone on before. Because I am engineer. I am here now. Hold on. Yeah, on the many show now. You're gonna face your enemy show. Now, in the market, I'm going on. Give him a deport or this guy. Get a call committee. Ha, tell him. They want to know. I need to hear. I will shock them now. Let me just I just want to solve all this problem, because a lot of you that are also following me have been writing me. Don't write me, brothers, don't write me. I just want to solve all the problem by calling an Austrian woman. One brother. I confirm. Some man I'm waiting to corners. Quarry ya kono kondeke. Saying was when the power. You can happen cities in force now. I be goes to process, goes to court. I can make court now. Her nature that teacher. How about Toby have said it? Has said it, they have deported me. The 1,000 things have been deported. Thank God, Biafra is here. Biafra is here. Who say man no day? Fight about Toby, you be deported. Hey, how the hell? This is an example of what we are fighting. ejile disease, ejile fake news, what brain. Nothing is going on here as per referendum or vote. And I'm saying a dollar vote. You know they here. If Allah let me not see to let all my generation perish. Yaman will vote at one yaman. Nobody know. Now will vote. All on internet. And that's why we need to dwell on differentiating what is involved in internet and on ground. Or the each. We are here. We ask them now. If you fight us, God will fight you. Fight them and fight Ekpa, the prime minister, and be deported. Okay, how are they reasoning, my brothers? Okay, as prime minister now, I just say, well, hey, Austrian prime minister, you have to do me a favor now. I want one guy that is preaching about freedom that side. You guys just no, you could let me deport. As a co-prime minister now, you know we work together. Oh, we go here now. What did the fee think? Say it's possible. Because I don't see any reason why a normal human being will believe in these jargons. Well, it's okay. It's okay. And do you know where they got that information? Came my bench with information. And the guy go and say, I see everything before they see it. I get more information before them. Before they will get it, the information I allowed on my table. Oh, I broadcast him a few days ago. I'm going to say the fact I've been deported. Look, we are here, look, we are on Twitter. A prime minister of a country. Let us assume now a prime minister of a country. He no content creating. He will give alone you could post saying that this is a correct. You see what you should be after. Imagine that now this guy have been lying for many years. Now. He got home now the city of Vienna now. And who come now going to get another content create foolish people. Now let's go. The reason why I'm here is very simple, brothers. We don't want many of you to be deceived. Freedom, yes, is important and is necessary, but it's not easy. It's not easy. There's a great work to be done on ground. I'm talking. What this idiot and their cohort are doing can never smell you be, let alone Biafra. People don't know them here. Nobody know them here. When the man how? Yamo anything, nothing. People are dealing aggressive on this suffering. Them themselves are witnessing. Of forgetting you go same referendum. The state and the state nowhere to be found. So let's go to the topic of the day, brother. The leadership of this struggle. I know two things as regards to our leader N0w, the Kano court case. The brothers, which is the obstacle to this movement, have been dancing on our head just for the fact that so many things are not being properly organized. There's no consequences. They just like more or less they see it as family business because they come closer to so many quarters. Normally it's not supposed to be like that. But it's just for the first time we as a people are fighting for freedom. So let us assume we are learning and to correct some certain things. And I want to thank some of you that are still behind this movement for supporting. Let me tell you what is being required from us. And for the fact that if you want to face the reality, you agree with me. N0w alone and IPOB cannot give you Biafra. I used to repeat it. We need the consent of even those on ground, even though that not in his movement, that on ground, no one on ground. Our men and women, our youths on ground, and they incorporate by letting them know the consequences of them being in Nigeria, and at the same time, what is going to be their benefits as soon as they exited Nigeria. These things can be possible through awareness creation, and that is the method N0w has come in with. Our method now. Equal, and the Nigerian government are more smarter than this idiot warrior that says same freedom. That is why they are pursuing him, because what you radio now about information is power. Your job is to create that awareness needed which is to sensitize people on the ground. What is the need? Why are you fighting to be free? Why? How can you prove to me that you are not free? These are the things expected from us to do. And that is why we gather ourselves, call ourselves media warriors, who spread the gospel, who checkmate what is wrong in the society. Some people are but I saw how as in charge, not how children with freedom. How? The fact that many of you have never understand who is holding this your freedom you are looking for. That's why, you know, we are not not easy. It's very easy. The US are not doing, they are not doing anything they want to do. By now we're supposed to sleep in Nigeria and wake up in Biafra. How is it possible? This is a collective effort of majority of our people. Even though they may not be part of what we are doing, at least they have to have the idea of what we are pushing. But out of their wickedness, they may decide not to support. But at least, as human they are, they have conscience. They will understand what we are pushing. Him and the job are a little bit difficult by creating factions by factions as a job of Nigerian government. And then some of you now begin to look upon one rat in Finland. Now you're Biafra. One idiot. He's a cabinet. He's a prime minister. He's a police inspector. He's a suspect. He's a broadcaster. Everything. He can't even make a move like we are making a move. Ordinary Europe tour or virtual corner on their life. And we say, like I am here now. What are you people saying? IPOB Nigeria. Because he cannot do it. It takes a strong heart. Because someone in him conquer, I conquer and fear. Anything may go to tomorrow. That is how it's supposed to be. So because he cannot do it, he tag something. Say, oh, IPOB Nigeria. They are working with Nigerian government. That's why he can work freely. But he don't know that our hearts gauge are gauge. And another thing is that when we tell you that it's not by Gragra, Lena Hunu na social media. All Hunu is all content creating. I won't have quality bozobo. Una lali le go do ordinary me just shift from somewhere. They say mabe le are kwaranya. Likwena original food eji nkushie. Agamaton nezai. Agamaton nezai brother. Mabe ti aka na le are kwanu mu. You are going back to our root. You man honey now. Le are kwananya. Mana kwara mo kore ka ga pick major na keji. You gotta go. So when I hear now, I'm betraying the struggle. It's not betrayal. The fact is that all of us want to be Biafra. I want to be Biafra. Don't see me as an agent of Nigeria because you are gullible and you are senseless. That's why you see my pattern that I'm supporting the suppression of our people. No. It's just that you are gullible to understand what freedom is all about. I want hitting. Also going to zone 500 Tucano aircraft. So 1 million AK-49. Oh, you have freedom. A bacha go we can buy for 30 years. Come you no just any no ye. A bacha for 30 years. Oh, when here an question me. Oh, when DG and question in again with allies and allies are one DG going power. You gonna here Hana you going control of your land. Take in charge of your land. Man in charge of your resources. And you go to yes, it's possible. And when hitch. You know, now every Monday, unnecessary empty market. When you can somebody about early in the morning as early as 7 o'clock. Unnecessary betty and internet. Say shut it down. Everywhere is lock and key. I know them here now. When on them here. I'm one of those things. Before I say people go and give me update. I know them here now. Yes, it's true that our people know about sit at home. Our people are ready to observe it, not because of somebody is forcing them, because they know that this is what they're supposed to do. But when they make okay, how she's along will say to hell with your sit at home. One, if you are doing something, you get something. You know, a Messiah. How will I put it? A bastardize the thing. When has the value? Akrubodom sit at home. Tuesday sit at home. When is it 1 week? All of us are 1 week. And when he and a haggy, you give them something. A kawan the outcome. He may near 1 month, may have 2 months, may have 3 months or walk one. The reason he me continuously. Our people are not fool. They are smart species. You don't expect them to follow you sheepishly. because you are fighting for freedom. You need to explain to them. How put on ground, go and exile. On Sunday, you will see us. You got a gathering of men on Sunday, live and direct. Give me a say sit at home, exile. Ebu na fike na ho innocent souls. Umaka munike ya wonye putara na maybe o time the now ya ma agbamaka agari maybe mpụta be kwuokwu sim na akọta unu maybe unu ediga ndị machine ha na aga machine ha were machine ha were AK-47 agba ma ọtabịa gwa gaga ha balaga onye ochi dialogue. Do you know the pen of the people in this town? Let me tell you the pen. I interview a lot of them. The pen of the youth in this town, even if these police people, they are not happy with it. You watch and the police now about Emeka, Chukwu Emeka, T-Joke, Mr. Paul, Mr. Eze, your own brother. I'm a mega joke say, oh, when those ones, now them they follow they kill our people. That's how to solve that problem. And this is what the Fulani wanted. On the bank, and they send the one gullible, which I understand. Marabo cannot be stupid at the same time. You say you are smart, that you want to fight freedom for others. Then one day a GSA they trap. You so the same thing. How smart are you? You are gullible like them. The annoyance of people is that why are the politicians not being affected? That's the question here. Okay, Oga, you are preaching or say you people are looking for freedom. Say, but freedom we are just trying to, create awareness. We don't know what we are looking for. I know a road to freedom is not easy, or gradually. I said, but you are clean your people. So I explained to them. Because hey, governors are working free. All these politicians who are suffocating people are working free. Some of the even politicians that is not even up to the governors, senators, they are working free. In fact, and they hear they feel the pen of and then I now try to explain to them. That's how to know that this is the handwork of Nigerian government.
My people, no be small thing o, and shey una don hear wetin talk for this video. Abeg may you drop your own opinion for inside comment section as e dey hot, and make sure say you share this video so that other people fit get the information and know wetin dey happen. This channel always bring update of anything wey dey happen for inside Nigeria and for inside Biafra and for Africa at large. So our update fit no suit you sometimes, no vex, share am. Wey we bring the one wey you like, may you still share am. My people, na so e be o. So wan talk about this video for inside comment section. Anything wey you talk over there, we go come there come reply you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you for the next update as e dey hot.